Welcome back to Trading Wars. Today I'm going to be doing a day trading recap. We're going to be looking at how I made a little over 300 bucks on ES, and we're also going to be talking about the bigger picture and as well as how to make money intraday and how to take targets. All right. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. Okay. So the first thing is, guys, we need to draw the previous day's high and low. So I do that every single day. So here was the previous day's low and here was the previous day's high. And I pointed out a few major levels on Twitter because anytime we gap down, I'm looking for at least there's going to be one leg short. There's going to be one leg down where I can make money in the short direction. And sometimes that leg might end up being a major leg where you can make a lot. So let's look at how I broke it down today. So I wanted to start off with this. So when we're looking at a gap down, we need to have the previous day's low, which is here, the high, and then we have the gap itself. So if we just look at this gap where we opened here to the closing print of the previous day, we have this zone. So this zone is going to be an area of resistance along the way. It's not going to go vertically straight through and break. 70 to 80% of the time, we're going to fill some of this gap and then we're going to roll over. Okay. So what we had here is I took the Fibonacci from this bar's low down to the first 5-minute bar. And this is how I do it. You don't have to draw the fibs that way, but this is my personal preference. You can use the close if you want, but I prefer using the wicks on the bar. And what we had today was we pulled right into the 618. And the 618 lined up exactly with the previous day's low. So that is a textbook A+ setup. And there was many ways to get involved. Personally, I took this inside bar short here. I made 3 times my money and I was done. But you could also just short below the low of this candle because you're against resistance, or even just short when this red candle closes to confirm. Okay, so there's multiple ways to get involved there. And let me show you guys the P&L on the short, just to show you guys how I executed it. So I got in short 10 micros at 32.25, and then I covered everything at 26. And my broker it split it up because when it was filling, it didn't fill everything in one transaction. So that was a little over $300. Risk was 100 bucks. So very, very happy with that. Great way to end the week. And then the next setup, let's talk about the other thing that I mentioned. So coming into the day, I mentioned that we are actually against 618 on the hourly. So every day I post these free pre-market plans. And what I said here was we are up against the 618 of this hourly chart pullback. And what we had today is, if now we look at ES here, you see we had a great bounce of about 30 points from the 618. So if you were playing for the 618, which was right here, you could have just either gotten long somewhere here, and then you would have to put your stop loss below somewhere down here, right? If you're going to swing it, you need a wider stop, right? Or you could have waited for this double bottom. And here at this double bottom, we had this beautiful hammer bar at the 618. So that was your entry right there. So overall, very good day. Easily make 3 to 4 times your money. If you're risking $1,000 per trade, that's easily $3,000 to $4,000. Okay, guys. So keep things simple. I was done trading by 10:25 today, and that's it. Rinse and repeat. This was the same setup from last week. I hope you guys are gaining value from these videos. And if you are, please comment, like, and subscribe and support me so I can keep making these videos. Okay. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.